Hey guys, welcome to today's video where we are going to be making over my deck. Let's just get started on this video. I'm going to take you out there, show you what we're working with, and we're going to get this started. Alright, here is the deck. It's pretty small. We do have a grill, and that does have to stay here, so we're gonna have to figure out a way to have the grill and also have a place to sit and hang out. So I'm gonna start mapping out a plan for the space and we will go from there. Alright, we're on our way to Hobby Lobby. I'm thinking that I want to look at their lanterns. They usually have a bunch of different kinds, and I don't want like just a basic black metal one. I want to look for something a little different, so we're gonna go there. I'm hoping they also have a rug because I need to find a rug, and the ones I found online I just haven't been in love with, so Hobby Lobby can come through for us today. After that, we will go and pick up some plants. I don't want to get too many. I don't want to overcrowd the deck. It's not a big space. I did end up ordering patio furniture. I tried so hard to thrift it, and I struck out left and right. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to thrift them, so I did order just a very small 2 chairs, 1 little table, nothing big. So I did order that. And then also an umbrella and a base is already at the house, I think. So we pretty much have the stuff we need besides what we're going to get today. So I will see you at Hobby Lobby. Definitely not big enough. Alright guys, that one up there I think might be a winner. It's like a jute cloth situation, and it's big enough, so I think that's the one we're gonna go with. Alright, so that was really successful. I found a rug, I found lanterns, I found outdoor pillows, which I wasn't really specifically looking for, but I think the pair that I saw might look cute, so we'll try it. If not, I can return them. So, successful. Let's go get some plants, and then we're gonna head home. I like these darker leaf colors. I am admittedly not an outdoor plant expert. These are pretty. What is this? Denim and lace. These are really pretty. These are really pretty. Planters can get so pricey though. Ooh, look at this one. Alright, let me show you what I got from Hobby Lobby. I got this set of lanterns as well as this, it's kind of like part jute, part cloth rug. And it was also at a really great price. So this is the stuff that I got so far. I'll also show you the plants I got. So I got this plant here, and I think it's really pretty. I know a lot of people love, you know, pinks and yellows and stuff like that for the spring, but I am just a, I don't know, a moodier plant lover. I also got these little ones here that are also darker. I also got this planter. I didn't take the plastic off of it yet, but it's a nice big stone one. So that's gonna be for that plant there. So let's start working with what we have. All right, so the umbrella and the umbrella base are here, so we're gonna get those out, get them assembled, and get them up on the deck. I love the black against the kind of woven natural texture of the rug. So now I'm gonna bring the plants out and we'll go from there. I feel like I need something like I'd have to figure out a way to create another space where if there was other people over, they would have a place to go. I definitely can't add more seating than what I've ordered, so I think it has to be something else, almost like I envision like a bar type area, but I can't use any more horizontal space on this deck, so if you can't use horizontal space, you gotta go vertical space. So I'm thinking almost something that I'm thinking something that can fit on top of the deck railing. I don't know if what I'm saying is very clear, but I'm gonna try to build it. So let's do that. So I secured this piece to the bottom with just a few screws. This is actually going to be the base that sits on top of the railing. All right, so I've got the base together, and I'm sorry for the lawnmower in the back, but basically this part would slide over the deck rail, and this will create kind of like a bar top that I told you about. So then we'll add on, I think I'm gonna add on maybe sides and a back to it. I don't know if I'll add anything else. Let's just keep working on this. All right guys, here it is, and this is going to sit on top of the deck rail. It might be a little bit hard to like kind of get an idea of it right now, but I'm gonna stain it, let it dry, and then you'll see it. Okay, so I have the finished shelf, and I'm gonna show you how it literally just slides over the deck rail. And voila! So now there's just like an extra place to put drinks, or if there's like a need for food prep, we can move it over by the deck. It is movable, which is one of the best parts about it. So this was such a simple DIY, but this is really going to add just a ton of functionality to my very small deck. Alright you guys, the deck is ready to be revealed. I will admit this was a little bit challenging because it's a small space. I wanted it to be cute, I wanted it to be functional. I think things worked out really well. This was also a little bit scary because I didn't know if my DIY was gonna work, but it was definitely a success. So with that being said, make sure you stick around to the end of the reveal because I'm gonna show you both the deck in the day as well as when the sun starts to go down so that you can see the lanterns lit up. Other than that, let's show this deck.